guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be an unboxing from Louis Vuitton. Some of these items I had in my closet for probably about 2 years. I found them when I was doing some renovation and some cleaning out of my closet. And one of them is something from the new collection for this year. So if you're interested, guys, keep on watching. Hi guys, it's Jan from Jandle in the City. I want to thank you for stopping by. If you haven't yet subscribed to the channel, please consider doing that. Click that notification bell, hit that subscribe, and welcome to my YouTube family. So let's get on, guys, with the unboxing. I'm so excited to see what these items are, as I cannot remember. It's been so long. Let's get started. So as you can see, guys, how long ago these items have been sitting in my closet. This is a number 12 book that they sent me when I made the purchase. You guys keep these books that you can also frame the photos if you choose to do so. So that was the first one that they had sent me. The second one is number 2. Go ahead and look at the inside of that one. I love these books. You can frame them, you can keep them, you can put them on your coffee table, use them for decorative items. Just love these guys. A lot of information in there as well. So the first one we're going to start off is got this red ribbon on it. So you know how long ago that this item came out, at least a couple years ago. Go ahead, guys. I'm not quite sure what this is inside here, but we'll soon find out. So there you go. What is inside is these blue cards that my essay had given me. It does have my initials on the bottom, which was really nice. It's too bad I did not open these sooner, but they'll go really nice with my Christmas tree and the Christmas decor that I'm using this year. So those are really nice, tied with the blue ribbon, and it does have the gold foil. So those have been in there for quite a while. The second one is in this box, and you can tell by the card how old it is, as well as the bag. Let's go ahead and we will open this one. And this one is wrapped up in tissue paper with the Louis Vuitton logo on there. Let's go ahead, open this up. This one is in a Louis Vuitton dust bag. Go ahead and see what this item is. And it is one of the books. Love getting books. So you can see how old this one is, guys. And this one says Louis Vuitton. I hope it's not in French, because I did order the English one a couple years ago. That is the second item. I've gone ahead, guys. I've taken the plastic off, and look at the date on here. It says it was from 21. So 2021 is when I purchased it. So it's been in there for 2 years. Can you believe that? This is going to be such a good read. Cannot wait to read it. I'll let you know how that goes. Interesting book. I love the cover. So the third one, look at the ribbon, how worn it is. Let's see what this one is. Any guesses to these items, guys? This one is all about the travel badges, and from Air France, and they are a copy of all of the ones that they used to stick on the luggage when they traveled. Let me put the box down. I did post this on my Instagram a while ago, but I did not, unfortunately, have the time to film it, so I tucked it away in the closet, and that's where it stayed ever since. So let me go ahead and take the lid off. There's what it looks like. I really like the inside of the box. It is so cool. So here's what you get inside the box when you open it. It says the airline label. So this one is all about flight. Give you a little close look there. It's talking about all of them on the back of the cover. It does come with an Art of Travel airline labels, and it's just a little booklet talking a little bit about it, which is pretty cool. And it came with this beautiful paper on it. Go ahead, open it up. And here's a look at some of the stickers that you would have gotten on your luggage when you traveled by air. I'll show you a few of those. This one has to do with traveling to Miami. And these are just done in cardboard, so you can have a look at what they used to look like. And this is Inter-Island Airways. And these are pretty much postcards and stickers. You get a couple in there. North Central Airways. And they're all bending because they've been in there for a long time. Swiss Air. This one is for India. They're pretty cool. And the Middle East. Let me know if you guys have these in your collection. Royal Dutch Airline. And this one I cannot pronounce. Really cool graphics. I'll just show you guys these, and you could read them if you wish. There is so many of them. They are really cool. And they're all starting to bend. They've been in the box for so long. We'll just go through a few more. And as you can see, guys, there is quite a few more here. Sweden, British Airways, Air France, and these can be framed in a collage if you didn't want to have them all tucked away in a box where you'd never see them, or you could frame a couple of them. They're really cute. Okay guys, I have two more items to show you. Take this one out. It did come with a perfume sample. And this one is in this box. I've gone ahead and I've just taken the ribbon off. It does have tissue paper on it. And this is let me put the box down. This is another travel stickers and postcards, I guess. And this is from the cruise line. So anything to do with sailing, they give you a sticker or a postcard. Let's take the lid off. This is what the outer part of the box looks like. And I really love this. It's my favorite print, the Damier Ebene. Look at the inside of the box. This is how they should be packaging things. Not in the orange boxes anymore, but maybe have the boxes coordinate to the color or the item that you've purchased, whether it's a monogram, an azure, or an Ebene. I think that would be really cool if they did that. And inside came this little booklet again, telling you a little bit the art of travel. That's pretty cool. And then a look at all of the possible stickers or cards that you could get on your travel by steamship or by boat. Let's go ahead. Look at the paper, guys. It's pretty cool. I have it upside down. Let's go ahead, guys. Look at the paper. Is that not cool? And I'm going to go ahead and take a few of them out. So these ones here are postcards as well as stickers. And it's showing the different cruise lines. Look at the graphics. They are so cool, guys. I'm definitely going to frame some of these. Look at the one for Australia. It would have been really cool to travel by boat back then. Not that it's not now, but it'd be a lot different. These are pretty cool. I like these. Do you guys have the plane travel or do you have the boat one? Let me know in the comments below. So these are pretty much the round ones. I like the graphics on them. What do you guys think? Let me know if you have these sets and how old they are, because I'm curious to know how long I've had these. Probably at least 2 years. Like I said, I posted the photo on Instagram and I left it and didn't do anything else. And then it was just put back in the closet to do a video. And I never got around to it because they were shoved back there and we're renovating the closets. That's when I came across quite a few items. But that's never a bad thing. Look at the graphics. Pretty cool. Look at France. I have to put a book or something, or put these in between a heavy book because they are all buckling. So let's go ahead. We're going to open up the last one. So let's go ahead and open up the last one here. This one is from the new collection from 2023. Does have my personal information on the front, so I'm not going to show that. And here is my receipt. And it's just a small item in here. I'm excited to see this one, because I haven't seen it in store yet. I've seen it online. Let's go ahead, guys. We're going to open it up. Any guesses to what this one could be, guys? It is a small item. And it is in its dust bag. I'm going to take a peek. Okay, guys, are you ready to see which one it is? Here it is in the Damier Azur. Is that not a stunning little piece, guys, with the sailboat on it? I just love it. The colors are so vibrant. Look at the water. The sailboat. And this one is the Rosalie coin purse. This one is number N40506. And the length of this piece is 4 by 3 by 3.1 by 1 inch wide. Can you guys see that vibrant color? And this color is called Dragon Fruit Pink. Let's take a look inside, guys. It does have the snap closure here. Look at this beautiful color. This one is made in Spain. It does have one inside pocket. Does have for your cards here. Let me go ahead and take out the card. And there is the number there if you guys are interested in it. And this is the coin zip purse. It does have, for cards here, the slot on the back, slot on the front where the zipper is, and no pocket on the back. And it does have the pull here, a little tight. Beautiful pink interior. This is the grain cowhide leather lining, gold colored hardware, 2-card slot, as well as a zipper coin pocket. Is that not a beautiful piece, guys? Just gorgeous, in one of my favorite prints as well. Do you guys have this little piece? It is so cute. It's the color. The color is just gorgeous, guys. And it does have the gusset on the side for easy getting in and out of it. Louis Vuitton and made in Spain. So that are the 5 items that I have today to share with you guys. If you haven't yet subscribed to the channel, please consider doing that. Give me a thumbs up, a comment, a like. Follow me over on Instagram at Jandle Smith. Thanks for watching, guys. Take care and have an amazing day. Till next time. Bye-bye.